Hey there, gorgeous people. Today, I want to share with you an amazing trick. I used to grow my eyelashes in just 3 days, all naturally. So, stick around, because you're not going to believe what I'm about to reveal. You know how I've been sporting these long, luscious lashes lately? Well, guess what? It's all thanks to a fabulous little tool that I discovered on Amazon. This nifty device is called an eyelash growth comb. Now, I heard about this from a trusted source and decided to give it a shot, and let me tell you, it genuinely works wonders. What you do is simply run the comb through your lashes every day for just 3 days, and voila! You'll notice that your lashes become longer and more defined. It's truly incredible how something so simple can make such a difference. So there you have it, folks. The secret to growing those stunning eyelashes in just 3 days is with this handy eyelash growth comb. Give it a try and share your experience with me in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tips helpful. And as always, please subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.